Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Scorers. So today's our topic is surface chemistry. So this chapter contains 6 marks. Now let's see how it is allotted. It is allotted in such a way like it's 1 plus 5. And as we know, like in chemistry 5 markers won't be a complete big answer. It will be divided into parts. It can be 3 plus 1 or 3 plus 2. So now coming to 1 markers. So usually you'll have definitions from this chapter. So let's see what are the definitions you can have. It's adsorption, adsorbate, adsorbent. Yeah, adsorbate and adsorbent are both different. So don't get confused between these two. These are the two different terms which you need to define differently. Now coming to next one, shape selective catalysis. In this they can ask you a definition or example. Anything can be asked. It can be the definition or the example. Now coming to next one, colloids, and this is very important. Colloids they can ask you the definition or classification. Mostly classification will be asked, and you have a big table regarding this classification of colloids. So it's better you know the complete table very nicely, especially the type of colloids and all in that table. Next, coming to next one, peptidization. Here also definition. Next, Bredick's arc method. This is the method. You need to define what the method is actually. Next, coming to dialysis, Browian movement. So in this also they can ask you definition or the cause for the Browian movement. Next, electrophoresis, emulsions or Hardy-Schulze rule. So all these are the main definitions. So in this last one, that is Hardy-Schulze rule, is a kind of law kind of thing. So you can just manage with that. Now coming to 2 markers, you have cleansing action of soap. So make it very brisk, very short and to the point. Next one is mechanism of Messily formation. So you have the mechanism here, and it's not a typical mechanism kind of thing, but you need to explain it in the written way. Next one is enzyme catalyzed reaction in 2 steps. So this is enzyme catalyzed reaction which is in 2 steps. Next, last one is types of catalysis. So there are 2 types of catalysis, so you need to know what are the 2 types of catalysis. It can be the difference between those two, or they can ask you to define those two specifically. Now coming to 3 markers, you have adsorption theorem. So here what they can ask is, they can ask you the definition, they can ask you equation or the graph. So if they ask all the 3, then it is for 3 marks. If they ask 2, then it's for 2 marks, or it can be for 1 mark also. Now the second part is difference between physisorption and chemisorption. As usual, this is for 3 marks, so better know minimum 3 differences between physisorption and chemisorption. It's good if you know more than 3, so that you can compensate if you forget anything. And so this is all about this chapter. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.